Hello everyone crazy people. In our first video of curiosities, we will see 100 curious facts that you didn't know about animals. Let's start right away. The armadillo is the only mammal that can contract letters. There is a type of spider called the jumping spider that does not spin webs to hunt, but instead actively hunts its prey by jumping on it from a surprising distance. The eye is a nocturnal primate native to Madagascar that has the curiosity of possessing a specially adapted sixth middle finger that it uses to extract insect larvae from tree trunks. It is often considered one of the ugliest animals in the world. The colugo, also known as the Malay glider, is an arboreal mammal that can move between trees using a method of planned flight. Despite its bat-like appearance, the colugo is not a rodent and is closer to primates. The Dumbo octopus, named for its resemblance to the Disney character, has ear-shaped fins that help it swim. It lives in the depths of the ocean and is known to be one of the rarest and most enigmatic octopuses in the world. The mantis shrimp is known to have the fastest punch in the animal kingdom that can hit with the speed of 80 kilometers per hour. It is known as the Rocky Balboa of the ocean, hitting primarily mollusks and crabs. The tokay gecko is a large, colorful species of gecko whose name comes from its characteristic tokay-sounding call. Did you know that there is a fish that can walk? The walking fish is capable of moving out of the water, using its modified pectoral fins that function as legs. They can walk on the sand and mud of mangroves at low tide in search of food. The Suriname toad, a species of amphibian, carries its young on its back from birth until they are fully developed. Cleaner fish, such as the cleaner goby, perform a cleaning service for other fish by removing parasites and dead tissue from their bodies. This mutualistic interaction benefits both species. The proboscis monkey, which lives in Borneo, has an extremely long and prominent nose, which can grow to a size of almost 18 centimeters in adult males. Chlamydosaurs, a type of lizard, are known for being extremely long-lived. These lizards native to Australia are characterized by having an elongated crest of skin that they can unfold in the shape of a fan when opening their mouth. There have been cases that have lived more than 100 years in captivity. The glass frog is a species of frog found in Ecuador, which has transparent skin on its belly and in some cases also on its back. This allows you to see your internal organs, such as your heart and lungs. Prairie dogs have surprising behavior when greeting each other, as it seems as if they were kissing. Butterflies go through a metamorphosis process that includes 4 stages: egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa, and adult. This entire process lasts 30 days. It has been discovered that dung beetles use the Milky Way as a guide to roll their droppings in a straight line, which helps them move in the dark. Mountain goats are known for their incredible agility and ability to scale steep cliffs and rocky terrain. Boxfish have the peculiarity of having their eyes on the sides of their heads, which allows them to have a field of vision of almost 360 degrees without having to move their head. The Chinese giant salamander is the largest amphibian in the world, reaching a length of up to 1.8 meters. Many insects have the ability to blend in with their surroundings to avoid detection by predators or to stalk their prey. Some examples include moths that resemble leaves and stick insects that camouflage themselves as branches. The quokka, a small marsupial found in Australia, is often called the happiest animal in the world because of its facial expression. The pine processionary caterpillar is known for its peculiar behavior of forming lines or processions when moving in search of food or to look for a suitable place to pupate. One of the most surprising curiosities about dragonflies is the way they form a heart when mating, a truly surprising phenomenon. There are only 3 animals in the world that have blue tongues: the chow chow dog, the blue-tongued lizard, and the Asian black bear. There is a fish at the bottom of the sea with teeth so big that it cannot close its mouth. It is the Pacific viper fish. Beavers can cut trees with their teeth. Beaver teeth are adapted for gnawing and cutting wood. Kangaroos have a powerful kick that they can use to defend themselves against predators such as dingoes. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish is capable of reversing its aging process and returning to the polyp state, making it the only known organism capable of completely reversing its life cycle and being born again. The dromedary and the Bactrian camel are the only two species of camels that exist in the world. These differ in that the dromedary has a single hump and is usually taller, while the Bactrian camel stands out for its double hump, with a coat to face colder climates and are more robust. Otters have a fascinating and peculiar habit of saving a special or favorite stone. The horseshoe crab, although called a crab, is actually an arachnid like spiders and scorpions. Although they cannot be seen, these have 10 articulated legs that they use to walk along the seabed and dig in the sand in search of food. Most of the pandas in the world are owned by China. Pandas mainly live in dense bamboo forests found in the high mountains of western China. This country lends them to zoos around the world as part of cooperation agreements in the conservation of the species. Starfish have the ability to regenerate lost limbs. The South American electric catfish, known as bullfish, can generate electrical shocks of up to 350 volts to incapacitate prey and defend itself from predators. The bulldog ant, found in Australia, has a bite so powerful that it is capable of splitting its prey in two. Tigers have stripes on their skin, not just their fur. Even if a tiger was shaved completely, it would still have its striped patterns on its skin due to pigmentation. Seahorses are the only animals whose males are the ones that bear the young. The hammerhead shark, known for its distinctive hammer-shaped head, has exceptional panoramic vision, allowing it to have a nearly 360-degree field of vision. Did you know why the rattlesnake has this name? It is due to the characteristic bells that these snakes have at the tip of their tails. The sailfish is the fastest fish, being able to reach 110 kilometers per hour over short distances. Flamingos are born with gray feathers, but their characteristic pink color develops due to their diet, which includes crustaceans rich in carotenoids. The dingo, a relative of the domestic dog, is Australia's largest carnivore. The second protagonist is the Tasmanian devil, the largest carnivorous marsupial in Australia. The kiwi, a bird native to New Zealand, is the only bird that has nostril-like nostrils at the tip of its beak, allowing it to detect odors while searching for food on the ground. Ostriches can run faster than many horses. Although ostriches are large and heavy birds, they are capable of running at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour. This speed makes them the fastest running birds in the world and faster than many horses. The centipede, although its name suggests that it has 100 legs, the actual number can vary from less than 20 to more than 300 legs, but generally it has 30. The elephant shrew, despite its name and shrew-like appearance. Surprisingly, the elephant shrew's closest relative is not another small mammal, but actually the elephant. More than 120 Australian animals are endangered by feral cats. There are an estimated 20 million of these cats in Australia, and they kill many species of amphibians every day, such as large desert skinks, bearded dragons, and geckos. The emperor penguin is the bird that can dive the deepest, reaching depths of up to 550 meters. Jellyfish are 95% water. The black panther is not a separate species, but a color variant of the leopard or panther. Her dark coat is the result of a recessive gene, and when we look closely, we notice that she still retains the distinctive spots or rosettes characteristic of normal leopards. Male Alston's brown mice are capable of vocalizing in a tone that resembles birdsong. They do this to attract females during mating season. The three-toed sloth is the slowest mammal in the world. The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. The monarch butterfly is known for its annual migration of thousands of miles from North America to Mexico. The fruit bat, which feeds on fruits such as mangoes, figs, bananas, and guava, is known to be the only mammal that can fly. The Iberian lynx, native to the Iberian Peninsula in Europe, is the most endangered cat in the world, with an estimated population of fewer than 500 individuals in the wild. Tardigrades are the most resistant beings in the world. Robins are migratory birds that are often associated with the arrival of spring. Its presence in many cultures is considered a sign of the breeding season and the beginning of spring after winter. The crocodile cannot stick out its tongue. No one has managed to domesticate an African elephant. A hummingbird may weigh less than a US coin. The American bison is the largest land mammal in North America, with a body mass that can reach up to 1,000 kilograms or more in adult males. Koalas, despite their name, are not bears, but marsupials, belonging to the same family as kangaroos and wombats. Sea sponges lack a head, mouth, eyes, bones, heart, lungs, and brain. The Siberian tiger is the largest cat species in the world. The California condor has the largest wingspan of any land bird. This species of vulture has the largest wingspan of any land bird, with a wingspan that can exceed 3 meters. Giant pandas can spend up to 12 hours a day eating, as their bamboo diet is low in nutrients, and they need to consume large quantities to meet their energy needs. The axolotl can regenerate its limbs. This species of salamander that lives in Mexico can regenerate parts of its body, such as lost limbs. A snail can sleep for up to 3 years. A male lion's mane is an indicator of his health and strength. Females tend to prefer males with darker, fuller manes. The scent of a skunk can be detected by a human from more than 1 kilometer away. The largest bird in the world is the ostrich, which can reach a height of up to 2.7 meters and a weight of up to 160 kilograms. The common swift can spend 10 months in flight in a row. During the breeding season, they spend most of their time in flight, searching for food and mates. The walrus has very long tusks, which can measure up to a meter in length. The walrus has very long tusks, which can measure up to a meter in length. The bald eagle has eyesight 8 times sharper than that of humans. It has extremely keen eyesight that allows it to detect prey from great distances. The Goliath frog is the largest frog in the world, with a length of up to 32 centimeters and a weight of up to 3.3 kilograms. The stonefish is one of the most venomous fish in the world and is known for its ability to perfectly camouflage itself with its rocky environment. The Belgian blue cow is a breed of cattle known for its extremely developed musculature. The Goliath tarantula is the largest tarantula in the world in terms of body mass. It can reach a weight of up to 170 grams and a length of up to 30 centimeters, including extended legs. The Basenji does not bark. The largest animal in the world is the blue whale. The Basset Hound is the breed of dog that has the longest ears. Giraffes do not have vocal cords. The Quetzal, the name of Guatemala's currency, is named after a species of exotic bird that lives in Central America. It is also the national animal of this country, and this bird is on the flag. The largest known egg comes from the extinct bird called Epiornis, which lived in Madagascar. These eggs could measure up to 30 centimeters long and 21 centimeters wide. The white rhino is not white, it is gray. The crow is the most intelligent bird in the world. Crows are known for their ability to use tools such as twigs or sticks, and they can even imitate a variety of sounds, including human sounds. The musk deer, native to North America, has long upper teeth that resemble fangs. Bluefin tuna can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour in short bursts. The hippopotamus is the most dangerous mammal in Africa and is responsible for more human deaths on the continent than any other animal. It kills around 500 people a year in Africa and is twice as deadly as lions. Anteaters eat more than 35,000 ants a day. Madokwa, small African antelopes that appear to have 4 eyes, use their tears to mark their territory. The ostrich's eye is larger than its brain. The common octopus has 3 hearts and 9 brains. The spider monkey can jump up to 9 meters and survive surprising falls. It has been observed that these primates can fall from heights of up to 15 meters without suffering serious injuries. The rhinoceros beetle can support up to 850 times its body weight, making it the strongest animal in the world in proportion to its size. The wolverine is one of the most ferocious and territorial mammals, despite its not-so-large appearance. This animal is a relentless and brave predator, with great strength and ability to hunt animals much larger than itself, such as reindeer and caribou. The black widow spider's venom is 15 times more potent than that of a rattlesnake, but the amount of venom injected is much less. The DNA of gorillas is between 95% and 99% the same as that of humans. And this was it. What amazing animals we have seen today. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you never miss Zarpado content.